In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate a page in Canva like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Page animations are one of the easiest ways to make your designs look more dynamic, more engaging, and way more professional without needing any advanced design skills. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, videos, or reels, mastering page animations in Canva can instantly level up your content. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and different content options. Next, click on any file of your choice. This can be an existing design you've already been working on, or you can open a brand new design using one of Canva's templates. For this tutorial, any design will work, as long as it has at least one page. Once your design opens, you'll see the editor with your canvas in the center and tools all around it. Now, select the page you want to animate. If your design has multiple pages, click directly on the page thumbnail you want to apply the animation to. This is important because page animations apply to the entire page, not just individual elements. Make sure the page is highlighted so Canva knows exactly which page you're working on. With the page selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. As soon as you click Animate, a panel will open showing different animation options. These animations control how your entire page enters, moves, or exits when viewed as a video or presentation. Now comes the fun part. Click on any animation you want from the list. As you hover over each animation, Canva will automatically preview it so you can see how it looks in real time. Take your time here and experiment with different styles. Some animations are smooth and subtle, while others are more energetic and bold, so choose one that matches the mood of your design. Once you've chosen an animation you like, you can also adjust settings such as speed or direction if those options are available. This helps you fine-tune the animation so it feels polished and professional, rather than distracting. If your design has multiple pages and you want the same animation applied everywhere, click on Apply to All Pages. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent, especially for presentations or multi-page videos. With one click, the animation is instantly added to every page in your design. After applying the animation, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Click on the Preview button to watch how the animation plays from start to finish. This lets you see exactly how your audience will experience it and gives you a chance to make any final tweaks. And that's it. You've successfully animated a page in Canva like a pro. As you practice more, you'll start to develop a feel for which animations work best for different types of content. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new styles. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.